Minister for Solid Gold Minerals Development Dr. Alake don hail Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the support wey dey give for reforms of the solid mineral sector and say the National Gold Purchase Program go increase the country's reserve and boost the value of the Naira. As e dey present the latest gold bar wey dem source from the artisan and small gold miners and refined by one agency of the ministry, the Solid Minerals Development Fund, to meet the London Bullion Market Association gold delivery standard, Alake tok say dem go sell the refined gold to the Central Bank of Nigeria to strengthen foreign reserves. E come also explain to Presido Tinubu the importance of the event as e go mark the first commercial transaction under the National Gold Purchase Program (NGPP), the centralized offtake scheme wey dey supported by a decentralized aggregation and production network of artisanal and small-scale miners and cooperatives. E come still tok say the successful completion of the first commercial transaction don show say the National Gold Purchase Program dey work wella and say e go increase the country foreign reserve assets, and e also show say to use the Naira buy liquid assets wey dem dey trade for United States dollars like gold na better strategy, and say dis transaction don also show the potential of the National Gold Purchase Program to improve fiscal and monetary stability. Alake also tok say the first commercial transaction don bring plus $5 million increase for Naija foreign reserves assets, 70+ kilograms of gold wey dem refine to the London Bullion Market goods delivery strategy, and successful aggregation of locally mined gold wey don put about ₦6 billion into the rural economy. As e dey receive and display the symbolic bar, Presido Tinubu come commend the ministry for the major achievement and for the administration drive to diversify the economy, and say this one na another concrete step towards the diversification process under the Renewed Hope agenda. For her presentation, the Executive Secretary of the Solid Minerals Development Fund, Fatima Shikafe, come tok say the London Bullion Market Good Delivery Standard na the globally recognized street and trusted standard wey dey allow global trade in gold and silver bars, and say na only golds and silver bars wey meet their good delivery standard dem dey accept for the settlement of local London contracts where the bullion trader dey physically hold for London. Shekafe come also tok say through the efforts of the National Gold Purchase Program under the Ministry of Solid Minerals Development, Nigeria don join small group of countries wey dey boost their gold reserves by purchasing gold with local currency to foster economic confidence, improve currency stability, and create more attractive environment for foreign investment. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. For TMC TV News, Ekata Ojisele.